students, here we will start the new bit of second chapter, the reproduction in lower and higher animals. In last lecture, we see male reproductive system and there are three parts. First, testes, second, accessory ducts, and third, accessory glands. Here we will see the fourth part is the external genitalia. Before it, we will see the semen. Semen is male reproductive secretion. It is viscous, alkaline and milky colored fluid which have pH near about 7.2 to 7.7. Means it is slightly alkaline. Why it is alkaline? Because in vagina there is a high acidic condition in which these sperms may be killed. So this acidic condition neutralized by this alkaline condition. One ejaculation consists of near about 2.5 to 4 ml of semen, and it consists of near about 4 millions of sperm and secretion of glands and epididymis. Epididymis secretion nourishes the sperm, and glands, there are three types of gland: prostate gland, seminal gland, and there is a third type of gland is the Copper's gland. Secretion of prostate gland having two components, one is calcium and another is bicarbonate. This calcium and bicarbonate neutralizing activity. It is help for neutralizing activity. Means in vagina there is acidic condition in which these sperms can be killed. So this acidic condition neutralized by this calcium and bicarbonates, which is secreted by which gland? Prostate gland. And there is another gland, seminal gland, which secretes seminal fluid. This seminal fluid consists of fructose and prostaglandins. What is the function of fructose? Fructose nourishes the sperm. And what is the function of this prostaglandin? Prostaglandin for the activation of movement of sperm. Sperm, when there is inactive sperm, the sterility chances increases. When there is only 10% sperms motile, the sterility is occurred. When 90%, 80% sperm motile, then there is chances of fertility. So motility is important. So this activation of movement is because of prostaglandin. This is the secretion of male called as semen. There are about 10% sperm, 4 million of sperms. It is 10% component of whole semen, and 30% prostatic fluid and 60% seminal fluid, and other epididymal secretion and copper secretion is remaining constituent. Then we will see the last part of male reproductive system is the external genitalia. There are two external genitalia in male. First is the penis and second is the scrotum. And it is male copulatory organ which is cylindrical and muscular structure. When we take the TS of penis, there are three types of bundles. Two bundles are posterior-lateral, maccha side, posterior-lateral, down side and margin. Posterior-lateral, two bundles of tissue, muscular cells called as corpora cavernosa. These two bundles are called as corpora cavernosa, which is nothing but the erectile tissue. Erectile tissue means tissue having space, and this space filled with the blood. So these penis become erect because of this erectile tissue. As well as on anterior side there is another bundle called as corpus spongiosum, which also made up of erectile tissue, means having space, which is highly vascular and filled with blood. These spaces are erectile tissue spaces filled with blood, and penis become erect. And this From this spongiasm, the urethra passes. This is the urinary bladder and this is the urethra. And this last part is the penis. Means from anterior bundle. These two bundles are posterior, मागच्या साइडला असतील आणि हा जो पुढचा बंडल आहे त्याच्यामधून हा urethra पास होतो. Urethra passes from corpus spongiosum. The last part of penis become enlarged and form a trigonal swelling structure called as glans penis. And this is covered by a loose fold of skin called as foreskin or prepuce. And this glans penis is more activated at the time of ovulation. Then second external genitalia is the scrotum. In diagram we will draw the scrotum very far from the penis, but it is near to the penis. It is convenient for our understanding, so we draw the testes or scrotum far away from the penis. But in actual, the scrotal sacs are behind the penis. It is present behind the penis. पेनिसच्या मागच्या साइडला अगदी जवळ कशाची पोझिशन असते? देयर आर scrotum. Scrotum is dark pigmented skin pouch, loose skin fold. These are divided into two parts by a septum called, this septum is made up of darkest muscles, and this divide the scrotal into two scrotal sacs, right scrotal sac and left scrotal sac. This darkest muscle septum divide the scrotum into two sacs, right and left scrotal sacs. In these two scrotal sacs droop down the testes. These testes present in the abdomen near the kidney. When it is formed in the mother uterus in boy baby, they are developed into the abdominal cavity, but before the birth it droop down into the scrotal sacs. While these testes are located into this scrotal sacs, sperm formation require 2 to 3 degrees centigrade lower temperature than that of body temperature. So they are located into the scrotal sac or outside the abdomen. Position is extra-abdominal. When there is a failure of this droop down, काही बाळांमध्ये आईच्या पोटामध्ये असताना हे दोन्ही टेस्टिस ड्रूप डाऊन झाल्याच नाही, स्क्रॉटल साइड मध्ये आल्याच नाही, त्या खाली डिसेंड डाऊन झाल्याच नाही, ॲब्डोमेन मध्येच राहिला. Reproductive is in this baby when mature it becomes sterile because sperm production require 2 to 3 degree temperature low, but here it is present in abdomen, so these babies or these males are sterile. Means this is the important scrotal sacs droop down. These two testes are suspended in the scrotal sac and it is attached at one point to the scrotal sac with the help of ligaments. These ligaments are called as gubernaculum. Testes attached to scrotal sac with the help of this ligament called as gubernaculum, as well as testes attached to dorsal body wall with the help of spermatic cord. Means these two testes are suspended in the scrotal sacs, and this scrotal sac internally made up of darkest muscles, and these darkest muscles become contract as well as relax. It drain the testes towards the abdomen during winter season and it drain down the testes during the summer season. It is the requirement of temperature. Then we will see the next topic is the female reproductive system.